We have the best developer tools for this AI era. GitHub Copilot is by far the most widely adopted, used AI developer tool, and we are focused on making it even more of a game changer. Until recently, if you think about my own usage of Copilot, you use the editor with completions and you use chat. No more. Now with Copilot edits, you get both of them to come together. We are bringing chat and inline editing together so that you can easily make inline changes across a set of files, so you can have a working set of files and then just use natural language to be able to change across all files. So Copilot's gone full multi-file. And with Workspaces, Copilot is the most advanced and the first agentic AI-native IDE. Copilot Workspaces leverages agents from start to finish, right? You can go from sort of basically an issue to a spec to plan to code all in natural language. And just last month at GitHub Universe, we added agents on both ends of the workflow, right? One for ideation and one for automatically building and repairing code. And we're not just stopping with just writing code. We are building software agents across the entire lifecycle, from testing to deployment. And we can tackle these complex code maintenance tasks, like upgrading an app framework. Right here, you have this example of a Java framework where you're applying updates, iterating until, in fact, that all of your code builds and all the tests pass. And so that's just an agent that's doing that for you. Agents can also improve, in fact, performance. This is pretty cool, right? Which is performance engineering agent, effectively, by creating performance benchmarks, running them, iterating on the code until, in fact, you find a solution and you pass the performance evals. And finally, agents can also help you go from, seamlessly from idea to implementation all the way to production by creating all the resources on Azure, right? So, and deploying it. So think of all of the DevOps functions and having an agent for it. And all of this innovation is what we're working on.